Hello friends, how are you? I hope doing well. Now we are going to print full inverted pyramid using VBA in Excel. So let's go to Excel. I am going to print this pyramid. In previous video we print full pyramid and now going to print inverted pyramid. So go to VBA editor, pressing F11 and insert module. Write nice name, procedure name, inverted full pyramid. Dim rn cn as a integer for rn equal to 0 to let's take 5 for cn equal to 0 to 5 minus here take Rn. For inverted pyramid, sales value no take let's take, also we take sales but not here required. Let's take k1 dot offset Rn cn dot value equal to printing a star, and also same for left side minus negative, taking next rn next cn and this is our program to printing inverted full pyramid. Clear this. Now we are going to print, test this code by pressing F8K. Here we have to take cn first and then rn variable. Okay, printing looking good. Yeah, success this program. I hope you are aware of using offset, which is offset of first row r1 if equal to 1, then first, then going to column wise offset 3 value, offset 1 4 value, offset 5 from reference point k1. I also made for full pyramid and different type of pattern using VBA in another video. You can check this video and other video. Thank you. If you have any field, then subscribe, and also any problem, then comment and like this video. Thank you for everyone. Very good luck. Thank you. Happy coding.